Fix 1. Check internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Sometimes resetting your router or switching to a different Wi-Fi network can improve connection stability. If the problem is with mobile data, try toggling airplane mode on and off or resetting your mobile network settings. Fix 2. Ensure sufficient space. Step 1. Go to Settings Storage to check how much space is available. Step 2. If you're running low on space, try deleting old files, uninstalling unused apps, or moving files to an SD card or cloud storage service to free up space for updates. Fix 3. Reopen Google Play Store. Step 1. Swipe away or force stop the Google Play Store app from the app settings. Step 2. Open the Google Play Store again and try updating your apps. If reopening the Play Store doesn't solve the issue, you might want to try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can help reset any underlying issues that might be causing the updates to fail. Go to Settings Apps Google Play Store, tap on Uninstall, and then reinstall the app. Fix 4. Restart your phone. If the issue persists, try restarting your phone. Simply press and hold the power button on your Android phone until the reboot menu appears, then select Restart from the menu. Fix 5. Clear Google Play Cache. Step 1. Go to Settings Apps Google Play Store. Step 2. Tap on Storage. Step 3. Select Clear Cache. Fix 6. Remove and re-log in Google account. Step 1. Go to Settings Accounts Google. Step 2. Select your Google account and tap Remove Account. Step 3. Restart your phone, then go back to Settings Accounts Add Account to log back into your Google account. Fix 7. Check for system updates. Step 1. Go to Settings Software Update. Step 2. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Fix 8. Use Android Repair. If none of the above solutions work, it may indicate a deeper issue with your Android system. In this case, using a professional Android repair tool like Android Repair could help resolve software-related issues affecting the Play Store and your apps. Step 1. Download, install, and activate this Android repair tool on your computer. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to the computer via a USB cable. Once the device is detected, select Repair Android Repair from the main screen. Step 3. Now, fill in your phone's information, including brand, device name, model, country or region, and mobile carrier. After completing the device information, click Next. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your Android device into download mode. The tool will guide you step by step. After downloading the firmware, the tool will start repairing your Android phone. This may take a few minutes. Fix 9. Factory reset your Android. As a last resort, if all else fails, you can perform a factory reset to fix any software-related issues that might be causing the problem. A factory reset will wipe all data from your device, so make sure to back up your important files before proceeding. Step 1. Go to Settings System Reset. Step 2. Tap Factory Data Reset and follow the prompts. Step 3. After the reset is complete, restore your apps and data from your backup.